Our today's sponsor is CoinLedger.io, your go-to solution for everything crypto and NFT tax related, done in minutes. You guys ask me all the time, hey Gray, how do you solve your crypto tax situation? How do you go about taxes in crypto? Now this is the solution for you guys. CoinLedger.io, links to them is down in the description. Right now, what I'm excited about CoinLedger in what they offer to me is the tax loss harvesting. Do you know what tax loss harvesting is? This is basically it. They have a tool called the NFT loss harvester. You sell all your worthless NFTs and save thousands of dollars in taxes or more. Basically, all the NFTs that you have, even if they are illiquid, they're just sitting in your wallet, you can use them to increase your tax discount. So you can write them off as losses as long as you use this platform to sell your NFTs. So link to them again is down in the description below. It's as simple as, it's a Web3 platform. So you simply connect your wallet and sell your NFTs quickly. It happens within minutes and boom, you can now use that information for your next tax filing and get a lower tax rate. All right. CoinLedger.io is the website. Make sure you use my referral link to even get some good bonuses. All right, thanks to CoinLedger for working with us, the best crypto YouTube channel with the best platform for crypto and NFT taxes. Let's continue with the show. One, two, 1, 2. Yeah. Woo! What's good, guys? What's up? I know I'm late, but here I am. I know I haven't made a live stream in a while, but the music keeps on banging, guys. It's amazing. You gotta love crypto. Somebody asked me a question today. They say, hey, Gray, why is it a good time to be buying Bitcoin right now? Why does it make sense? And you know what I told them? I told them, bro, it's because you're damn sure 100% that you're not buying the top. And that's all you need to know about it, right? So welcome to the live stream. The rules are really simple. You join the live stream, you start with destroying the like button until it breaks. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, make sure you do subscribe. My name is Gray BTC. I'm basically an investor, crypto. I've been trading for years. I invested in Ethereum when it was only at $3. And I'm here trying to help you guys to have fun, but also most importantly, to make money. I have several updates for you guys today, including the $100 challenge trading situation, but also forecast for the coming next few days, the weekend, how we're going to trade it and how Bitcoin might actually trade in the next few days. We're going to talk about the proof of reserves. We're going to talk about the World Cup NFTs. We're going to talk about to do some technical analysis as well, even though this is a quick live stream. Can you guys hear me clearly? If you can, destroy the like button so that I can see you. All right. So let's just get straight down into it, man. Like, what is the most important thing that we want to cover in this live stream? To me, is we need to start with the proof of reserves. Why the proof of reserves? Because we do care about our money. And what is the proof of reserve to begin with? Basically, since the FTX situation happened, a lot of crypto investors have been concerned about, well, how do we know that these exchanges actually have our money in their wallet accounts? Now, CZ from Binance and a couple of other exchanges said, look, we need to start doing proof of reserves to prove that we do have these funds. So for every cryptocurrency exchange that you're using, make sure you're checking constantly their proof of reserves. But because you guys your family. So I will tell you what's more important about this that nobody's talking about. Guess what? The proof of reserves now will start working as an indicator for trading. Keep this to yourself, guys. Don't tell anyone about this. And let me break it down to you. Let me go deeper a little bit what I mean by this. Remember, you're watching the first episode of More Trades, More Gains. My name is Gray, to the B, to the T, to the C, to the moon. So I will go here on proof of reserves on Glassnode. These are different kind of exchanges that we use in crypto, and all of them now have their proof of reserves being posted publicly, and these wallets can be tracked on the blockchain. Starting with Binance. Binance has a whole lot of BUSD as number one holding in their wallet, followed by Bitcoin, Ethereum, USDT, and other coins. Basically, Binance has more BUSD than Bitcoin. Quite interesting. But you know what? It will make sense as we go. Just hang around. The next one is Bitfinex. Really good. I like Bitfinex that the majority of their holdings, they're holding Bitcoin because it's an old exchange and a lot of the Bitcoin OGs use it. They keep their Bitcoin on it. BitMEX is 100% BTC. Shout out to my friend Arthur Hayes for keeping it 100 with that BTC. They're only holding Bitcoin as their reserve. So the whole thing that happened to FTX wouldn't happen to them because they're not holding any fake tokens like FTX was doing. Bybit 100 is holding the majority in USDT, and the following is Bitcoin. But it's good that their number one holding is not a coin or a cryptocurrency that they print out of thin air. Much like Binance, it's BUSD. Of course, BUSD is provided by Paxos Gold, but still, it's BUSD is kind of like a Binance product almost. But it is what it is. Everyone can make their own decision. CheckSig is right here with also 100% Bitcoin. And Crypto.com is holding majority USDC, then Bitcoin, then Ethereum, then Shiba Inu, and more. Deribit, Bitcoin, and Ethereum massively with USBC. Hobby token is number one for Hobby. And this is a red flag. I don't like this one. But remember, Hobby is now owned by one guy that we all know that he might be shady sometimes, right? Justin Sun. So it is what it is. KuCoin, they're holding majority USDT. OKX, holding USDT followed by BTC and Ethereum. I mean, well done to OKX. Really good. And their proof of reserve system of OKX is better than all the other exchanges combined, because every user on OKX is able to verify they can use the Merkle tree to basically trace the address or the wallet that is holding their funds on the exchange. So shout out to OKX. Let me give you guys the bomb on that one. I think every other exchange should be following that. Everybody should be doing it, in my opinion. Yeah, that's for OKX right there. And Swissborg, they're holding CHSB as their number one coin. Ping, 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 red flag. This is the same situation as the FTX, where they're holding FTT as the number one holding. I don't think this is healthy, but to each one to themselves, right? Everybody can make their own decisions. I'm preferring the exchanges that are holding more Bitcoin and Ethereum and some stable coins as well. Now, why am I saying that this is going to be a major signal for our trading activities? You can see that most exchanges, they're holding USDT. It's not that the exchange is choosing to buy the stable coin. No. It's the fact that most people are scared of the market. Now they're holding the cryptocurrency in a stable coin. They're like, I'm scared of Bitcoin is going to crash. Let me tether myself or buy some BUSD for now until I feel confident to invest in Bitcoin again. Now, whenever you start seeing the amount of stable coins decreasing and the amount of BTC, Ethereum, and other altcoins increasing on these exchanges, that's when you know that the bull market is coming. People are reallocating their assets. So if you know a little bit of coding, you can basically use an API integration to create your own alerts on these kind of metrics. But if you're part of Crypto University, we are working on this solution to make it available for everybody who is part of CryptoU, to track the movement of funds on exchanges, to know when is the best time to enter. So if you're not part of Crypto University, go to cryptouniversity.network, grab one of our courses, especially the Crypto Trading Masterclass. Then you'll be entitled to all the benefits that we have to offer. That is the first thing that I wanted to cover on this live stream, guys. Number two is about the $100 trading challenge. So I have been giving some updates on Discord, but not as frequent. And you might be wondering, oh, why is Gray so quiet on the trades on the $100 challenge? And I'll explain to you why. It's because the market hasn't been volatile enough or hasn't been moving enough for me to be interested. The coins that have been moving a lot have been super altcoins. And I promise you guys for that challenge that we're going to use the high cap coins only. That's Bitcoin, Ethereum, and maybe Dogecoin. They're in the top 10 anyway. But those coins haven't been moving the most. So I've just been sticking to BTC and some Dogecoin. Bitcoin, we were short. We got stopped at $17,000. That's perfectly okay. But I gave you a Dogecoin trade ahead of time before it even reached above 10 cents. And that trade right now is doing really well. So everybody who has been following precisely means that you're now in profit on those trades. I will share my trades right now in the Discord group. Let me open my Discord now to share these gains so that if you're part of the group, you can actually see. And by the way, we have more people watching, but not enough likes. So destroy the like button right now if you believe in God. And also if you believe in yourself. Destroy the like button. So I will be sharing my gains on the Doge situation so that you guys can see a little bit of progress on that one. I'm just opening up the Crypto University's Discord server, and some of you complained that, hey Gray, your Discord link is not working. Whoa, what's up with that? Okay, I fixed it now. I just fixed it. It should be working right now. You click the link in the description for Discord, it will work for you, sir. That's how we roll out here, man. Okay, so quickly let's go to, wait, this can, when I go to Discord, sir. Good day, sir. I want to show Discord. Here we go. Okay, so this is our Discord server. And I will be, let me drop all those, I just literally took these screenshots right now before I started the live stream. And I'm going to drop them in. So here is the first position that I'm trading on OKX. It's now at 24% profit, 29% profit. This trade is at 5x leverage. And the second trade, the Dogecoin again, but I was trading this one on Apex. Apex is a decentralized exchange. It's called a DEX. So in case you don't know anything about how DEXs work, I made a video a few days ago, literally showing you guys how you can trade just like you're trading on any other centralized exchange, but on a decentralized exchange. That means you can never lose your money to any exchange. Okay, this is an SVG, so it cannot be pasted. Let me just take a screenshot of it. So this first trade is a 29% profit. I'm not closing this trade. And it's not financial advice, really. I'm just going to shift my stop losses and all that stuff. But I'll make sure that I don't close it yet because I think the market is more likely to dump. But we'll look at that the moment we start some technical analysis. So here is the same trade, but on Apex. So on here, I have only 1.25x leverage, but I'm on 92% profit. 92.94% on Apex. I'm sure you guys can see that. So that is the update on these trades. I will be sharing more, but like the way I do it, guys, I don't react to whenever the market is moving. I don't just go and start changing things around. I let the market follow me. If I take a loss on a trade, I just keep it going. It's definitely normal to make a loss as long as it's within the parameters that you set as your stop loss situation. So you should be about, depending on what kind of trades you took, now you should be about 15 to 20% profit on your trade. That means you're $115, $120 now. With a few trades, we haven't even been making frequent trades like on the daily like that, but I will soon getting a little bit more active. But remember, I've been at the World Cup and I've been working. Mostly I've been in Qatar for the World Cup anyway, so I haven't had time to purely just trade. But let's get back to my screen anyway on Glassnode. Boom, here we go. Discord link is still not working. Okay, what do you mean it's still not working? Okay, but thank you for telling me that, Mr. Code with Idem. I will double check that at the end of the live stream. That is so annoying that Discord doesn't work all the time. All right. But let's get going. The next thing that I wanted to show here, because I need to go to the bank tonight to deal with some bankers, the most annoying feeling in the world. Okay, so the next thing, it's some TA today, some technical analysis. What's going on in the Bitcoin? All right, so Bitcoin is looking like this right now on the 1 hour, seems to be going a little bullish according to the Nitrous Bull. That's a very good signal right there. But there's been a drawdown right here in the 1 hour as well, so that is quite concerning. But if you look at the daily, right? If you look at the daily, I mean, Bitcoin has been a stable coin for a while, and it seems like it's creating a new floor for as a support system, which means we can bounce up from this is the bottom and all that. A lot of people are saying that. But a lot of people are saying this is the bottom and then we're going to bounce off. But then there's also another possibility here of this being a new high, right? It's creating a layer of resistance, and then we could actually break down and go down and beyond here, which is also a very likely situation, especially if you consider the volume movement across these days. We had a first leg of sideways movement for a while around this level. This is a lot of days from September until November. And now we have dropped down by 2 candles, taking us down 1 layer below. And now we're also trending sideways around this area here. This is the $15,000 level. And the volumes here are not really improving at all. Even though we're seeing longer candles of buy orders, it is still very difficult right now to trust that this is going to bring about change at the moment. So honestly, guys, I am still bearish. I would like to, you have seen my trades even on the $100 challenge. It's mostly shorts. I want to be optimistic, but I want to be surprised if the market is going bullish. So here are the strategies that I'm implementing. I am buying right now at spot and investing in Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. However, the reason I can do that comfortably is because I know I'm not buying the top. That's guaranteed. But as a trader, I'm still massively bearish. I'm still building bearish positions right now. So here is my take on it right now. I have built a lot of there's multiple layers of resistance for BTC. There is like one here at 18.3, another one at 19K, and another one here at 21,320. If you're going to be longing BTC, you have to at least wait until a breakout of 21,000 to really be like, okay, now we're going aggressively. However, if it breaks up out of 18,000 and start going up beyond, it's going to be safer to just ride a couple of altcoins for the heck of it when you know that it will be met with a stronger resistance at the top and go back to its place. And that's what's been happening right now. A little bit of a pump and everyone's get excited, and then it's going back to where it's at. So you can use these moments to trade up and down, but you need to know that it's more likely just dead cat bounces and market manipulation. The market is still on the downside if you think about it. Even if you had to switch this to a weekly, you can see that slowly we are in a downward parallel channel right now. It might be not as significant, but if you look here, it is a parallel channel on the down. This was the first one, right? And since then, we haven't done anything than going sideways. We sort of broke out of it a little bit, and now we're moving sideways. and another leg down, and this might be another continuation. So it's a little bit risky. It's definitely a little bit risky. And if you look on the weekly chart, it seems like if we break down here, the support is around $12,000 here. So there is a real risk of the market going continuously down. And what you want to do in this kind of situation and have some positions that are bearish, at least that are short, but with less amount of leverage. So I have a bunch of positions that are leveraged. I have Dogecoin on short. I have, even though I'm extremely bullish on Litecoin in the short term, in the long term, I still have it bearish. I'm short on Litecoin. A lot of coins, I have short positions on them at 1x or 3x leverage on OKX or Bybit. That's how I'm going about it, guys. So, it's not financial advice, but everybody can do what they basically want to do. And also here, it's more important for us to talk about the Dogecoin situation. Okay, let me also just do a little bit of some clarity for the sake of clarity here. This is where we are. We broke down this leg already, and we are right here looking at finding this floor, or at least this was a breakout point on the last market. This was back in when? In 2020 was the last time we broke up from here. And it seems like we might see it, because if you consider this level that we're standing on right now, it doesn't really have a lot of floor. The floor was created, it's being created now, because back then we only had like 2 candles that resisted a downward spiral for Bitcoin over there. It was in a bullish situation. So if I call on a volume profile, visible range here, you'll be able to see that there's not much. The resistance below it is much more stronger at around $12,000. Is much more stronger than it is where we're standing right now. But again, this is only technical analysis based on historical data. It's not guaranteed for what might happen tomorrow. But I'm trying to make money. So investing, I'm buying. Trading, I'm short. Until Bitcoin breaks above the critical resistance level that I've shown you guys. All right. Moving on to another subject. At basically within 45 minutes from now, I will be going on Twitter Spaces with the COT DAO community. I've been talking about COT DAO a couple of months ago, and with the bear market, everything started tumbling down, but I'm still bullish on the project. So right now they have another Spaces with Bankless, and after that, I am hosting a Spaces. So if you want to join me on Twitter, it will be helpful if you actually do participate and understand what's going on, especially if you invested in COT DAO and you've been saying, oh, great, what's going on with COT DAO? Stop talking about it. I'm still bullish on that project. A lot of developments are happening, and I just want to catch up with the community. Some of the most active community members will be participating, and we can ask them questions directly. As for this weekend with BTC and the rest of the market, weekends are rarely bullish. So typically I short on the weekends, but you also never know. Right now I'm short, like I cannot hide it. I'm short on a lot of stuff. If it pumps, I'm just getting stopped until I short again and again and again. But right now we haven't seen any breakdowns of BTC for a few moments. So if it happens, you and I are going to catch the falling knife together, because we have been aiming for it for a long time. So, stick around if you're still doing the $100 trading challenge. I will be sharing more trades on that. You just have to stick around, but it's never financial advice, right? Keep on practicing, open other trades. If you want to trade other cryptocurrencies, for sure you can do it. But for the $100 trading challenge, I will be trading the high cap coins only, and also with minimal amount of leverage, nothing so aggressive. All right, where can I get COT DAO? You can get COT DAO on Bybit. Let me show you COT DAO right now on here, COT DAO or COT. This is COT DAO, and you can buy it on Bybit, basically. It's available on Bybit. Link to Bybit is down in the description below, of course. Another cool thing you can experiment with, it's if you want to be accumulating Bitcoin right now, OKX has incredible DCA tools. You can literally use OKX to automate buying Bitcoin for you every day or every week or every month. You just set it and forget it. I have a video upcoming for that, but for now, just a lot of you guys already know how to use these tools. You can just go on OKX, link is down in the description, and put the amount of money you want to start with and give it the amount you want it to buy and the interval. When should it be buying for you? It will make it happen. All right. Navigate says the gun sound is not loud enough. Okay, I'll bump it up. I'll pump it up. Don't forget your NFT gift you said last week. Yes, I will give you an update on that one on the Discord. Do not worry. If the market pumps, if the market is going to pump up bullish, there are several coins that are definitely going to go up more than the others. And I'm organizing a list of those, and I will be sharing them soon in the Discord as well. Otherwise, love you guys. I'll see you on the next episode. This was More Trades, More Gains. Let's accumulate, and make more trades, and we are going to make it. I'll see you on Twitter Spaces. Peace out. Love y'all.